Dear kids, it's time to story time. In a quaint village where dreams shimmered to life under the stars, there lived a curious girl named Luna. Every night, as the sun dipped below the horizon, the village transformed into a realm of magic. One enchanting evening, while chasing fireflies through the twilight, Luna stumbled upon a hidden garden nestled behind a veil of ivy. To her astonishment, the garden glowed with flowers that sparkled like tiny stars, illuminating the darkness with their ethereal light. Mesmerized by the sight, Luna ventured deeper and soon met Pippin, a whimsical creature with twinkling eyes and a fluffy tail. Pippin was the guardian of the garden, and he explained that each flower held a unique wish waiting to be set free. However, the garden was in danger, the wishes had become tangled, and if they weren't freed before the next full moon, the magic would fade forever, leaving the garden in eternal darkness. Determined to save this magical place, Luna and Pippin set off on an adventure that took them through enchanted forests where trees sang softly, across sparkling rivers that twinkled like diamonds, and up to the towering cloud castle. Along the way, they encountered the mischievous wind spirits, who had been playing tricks on the wishes, swirling them into knots and hiding them from sight. These playful spirits, while harmless, had no idea of the chaos they were causing. With courage in her heart, Luna devised a clever plan to outsmart the wind spirits. Using her creativity, she crafted colorful kites from leaves and petals, and with Pippin's help, they filled the sky with vibrant colors. The wind spirits, enchanted by the spectacle, paused their mischief to watch, giving Luna and Pippin the perfect opportunity to sneak into the garden's heart. As they untangled the wishes, Luna realized something profound. The most powerful wish of all was her own desire to believe in herself and her dreams. With newfound confidence, she took a deep breath and led Pippin to the center of the garden, where the biggest knot of wishes lay. Together, they worked tirelessly, each wish glowing brighter as they pulled the strands apart. As the moon rose high, casting its silvery light over the garden, a magnificent transformation began. The flowers erupted in a symphony of colors, bursting into bloom and filling the night air with magic. The wishes danced around Luna and Pippin, swirling like fireflies, and in that moment, they knew the garden had been saved. Luna's heart swelled with joy and pride as she understood that the magic of the garden would always reside within her, as long as she believed in herself. With the stars shining brightly above, she returned home, her spirit alight with courage and wonder. From that day on, Luna shared the tale of her adventure, inspiring others in the village to chase their dreams and believe in the magic of their own hearts. And so, the Starlit garden continued to glow, a beacon of hope and dreams, reminding everyone that sometimes, all it takes is a little courage and a sprinkle of magic to make wishes come true. The end. It's time for good night.
Subscribe to my channel.